Ready, start. The present appeal assails the final judgment and order dated 18/4/2024, rendered by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, whereby the writ petition preferred by the appellants stood dismissed. Full stop. The gravamen of the dispute concerns the rejection of the appellant's claim for refund of stamp duty under the provisions of the Maharashtra Stamp Act, 1958. Full stop. The appellants entered into an agreement to sell dated 30/8/2014 with a real estate developer, Messrs. Krona Realties Private Limited, for the purchase of a residential flat in the project at Mumbai. Full stop. The total consideration agreed was rupees 5.46 crores, against which an advance payment of rupees 1.08 crores was made to the developer. Full stop. Pursuant to the execution of the agreement to sell, the appellants paid stamp duty of rupees 27,34,500, as mandated under the Act. Full stop. The said agreement was registered on 18/9/2014, upon payment of an additional registration charge of rupees 30,000. Full stop. Sometime thereafter, on 5/11/2014, the developer informed the appellants of unavoidable delays tied to issues involving adjacent slums, thereby making it impossible to hand over possession of the flat by 31/3/2017, the date earlier envisaged. Full stop. The developer offered three options to the appellants: first, transfer the booking to another project, second, opt for cancellation with a refund along with interest at 12% per annum, third, continue with the present booking but with a revised possession timeline. Full stop. Constrained by the uncertainty over timely possession, the appellants choose to cancel the booking. Full stop. Consequently, a deed of cancellation was executed on 17/3/2015. Full stop. However, the said cancellation deed came to be registered only on 28/4/2015 before the Sub-Registrar of Assurances, Mumbai City. Full stop. Subsequently, on 23/5/2016, a deed of rectification was also executed, clarifying the refund details and other particulars of the cancellation. Full stop. Meanwhile, by an amendment dated 24/4/2015 to Section 48 (1) of the Act, the time limit for seeking a refund of stamp duty on a registered cancellation deed was curtailed from 2 years to 6 months (counted from the date of registration of such deed). Full stop. On 6/8/2016, the appellants filed an application for refund of the stamp duty amounting to rupees 27,34,500, contending that they were governed by the earlier pre-amendment statutory regime, since their cancellation deed was executed before 24/4/2015. Full stop. The refund application was initially allowed by the Chief Controlling Revenue Authority, Maharashtra State, Pune, vide its order dated 8/1/2018. Full stop. Soon thereafter, however, the same authority, by a subsequent order dated 3/3/2018, recalled its earlier decision and rejected the refund request as time-barred, citing the amended limitation period. Full stop. Aggrieved by the 3/3/2018 order recalling the earlier sanction of refund, the appellants first attempted to challenge it before the Chief Controlling Revenue Authority by way of an appeal under Section 53 of the Act. Full stop. The CCRA dismissed the appeal on 16/4/2019, prompting the appellants to file writ petition number 8276 of 2019 before the High Court of Judicature at Bombay. Full stop. In its judgment dated 4/10/2022, the High Court set aside the orders dated 3/3/2018 and 16/4/2019, noting that the appellants had not been accorded proper opportunity of hearing. Full stop.